In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on. Now to go back to your standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. And to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. Now you can paste it right away by tapping on it on the top of your keyboard, or clicking on Clipboard and tapping on it over here. If you want to pin one of your added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and tap on this pin, also at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. To delete one of those sentences, use the same pen. Click on the chosen ones, and this time use this bin at the top. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!